this is a looping. Okay. So in this looping, let's create a, you can say, file here. So, okay. So basically loop. So if you think of loop means in our program, sometimes we need to do the repetitive task. Okay. So while because we need to repeat that task again and again, so something should be available with us in a programming or programming language. With the help of that, we can do the repetitive task again and again. Makes sense? Let's say you can think of print a number 1 to 10 or print a record of student 1 to is all class student we need to print. Makes sense? Means the operation is same, means printing information. Makes sense? Or calculating the sum of array, sum of 10 numbers, 20 numbers, so on and so forth. Makes sense? Where you require repeating the task, okay, on each and every iteration, then you go for looping. Make sense or not?
Yes.
Let's say, think about a real analogy or real use case printing. You need to print same printout on a thousand of paper. What you will do? You will give a command and you will mention, hey, I require 1,000. From where you will start, you will mention that as well. So for loop work in that manner. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So for loop have a 3 parts. One is, you can say this, starting point. Okay. Starting point, from where it will start, what is the condition? Okay. And how it will move forward, means increment, each and how many steps it will take. Okay. So here we are doing that, and we are able to see we are printing. So you are able to see it will print.
I didn't understand.
Okay. Okay, let's say I will say, hey, Saj, you need to took 10 round of a ground.
No, I understand that, but what did you write over there? Let I equals to 0.
Here I am just declaring a variable I with the value 0.
Okay.
Okay. So this is similar to, let's say, this, which you already learned. I
Okay.
So here you can mention I. Okay. Or we can do same thing here as well. That I rather than doing in a separate line, we can do in the same line. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the, you can say, starting point. This is a condition. This is the steps. How many steps it will take? Okay.
So what does mean plus plus?
It's a unary operator. We will discuss that.
Okay.
It's a unary operator. It will increment. It will increment. We will discuss now. It will increment with a 1. That's why you're able to see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to till 9. Because I mentioned less than.
Not equal.
If you have a less than and equal to, then it will print 10 as well. Now things are clear.
Yeah.
Now you are asking about this plus plus. Let me show you. This is now, let's say, take an example of let j is equal to 10. Okay. And console dot log. Observe this. Okay. What I'm doing, just observe that. Okay. Plus plus.
Hmm.
Okay. Now,
So.
when you run this, okay,
Hmm.
you will get only 10. Okay. But now if you print j, now it becomes 11. Why?
Hmm.
Because it is saying when this get a chance to execute, then it will perform operation. Makes sense?
Hmm.
So this is called post increment. Post increment. First it will execute, then it will do a increment.
Okay.
Okay. But there is a pre as well. So let me do this pre. Makes sense?
Hmm.
First it will reduce the, you can say plus the this j
Hmm.
immediately. Okay, it will not do after the operation done. It will do now. You are able to see that's why it's giving a 11 to us.
It was giving 11 before as well.
No, because earlier, right now observe this.
Yeah.
It's giving a 11. Okay. If
Can you
I will
can you
do this,
stop the first 1 to 3 line?
yes, yes, fine.
Yeah.
So right now, if we're using this,
Hmm.
okay, and here you are able to see it will not impact anything. But after executing this line, it will become 11. Means this operation done.
Hmm.
Makes sense. Now you
Yep.
observe this. J plus plus. Define.
J plus plus and J. Hmm. What's happening? Console.
That J.
Hmm.
J. Yes, 10 is there. Okay.
Hmm.
Now let's go into this. Okay, let me remove it. Okay.
Hmm.
Using J plus plus. Console dot J.
Hmm.
Now you are able to see because we are printing after this line. Means this line get a chance to execute. And this is a post. Means it will increment happen when this line get a chance to execute.
Hmm.
Make sense or not?
Yeah.
But if you will do this opposite, like this,
Hmm.
minus minus, and you're able to see it will
9.
it will immediately take a effect. It will take effect immediately. You are able to see the impact immediately.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is two kind of this post and pre and post.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So let me show you these things in a loop as well. So let me change this. Let me
So.
first observe this.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's do this. I. Okay.
Yeah.
Now is there because it will not impacting anything. That's fine. But this is the idea of this pre-post and post,
Yeah.
pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, so here you are able to see we are able to do this. Means right now is iterating each element. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can use this with the array as well. So let's say you have this simple loop. Okay, and let's say you have an array. Um, okay, now
Mm.
what we need to do is this here.
How do you comment out and comment this thing with the button?
Sure, I will tell you. Like this. So control and slash, backward slash.
Okay. Control backward slash.
So right now here you are able to see we need to print this. So what I will do, students and I.
So in what are you doing in line number 9?
Line number 9, I am giving a value means what it need to you can say this check.
Students length is the amount, right? How many are in the array?
Yes, items are in array. So
And I
student
plus is
okay.
so I plus plus is like after each
Iteration, yes.
iteration, it's giving us the next one, and the in the line number 10, students I
Yes,
uh,
means we are
me.
printing like this. If you want to, let's say print this, you need to write 0, student 0.
Yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
able to do, check that, your name.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, with the help of that, you can do a lot of things. Let's say printing. Let's say you need to, let's say you need to print the table of a given number.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's say
Hmm.
for that, what you will do. This is a template, okay, string template.
Hmm.
Here I will say this. um, 2 into I. Two I.
Hmm.
If you print a table of two.
So just one question.
Yes.
Why, like, I know the dollar and the curly braces, you said you use it for the formatting or the
No,
value
evaluation.
valuation
Evaluation inside a string value.
inside a string value. So, okay.
This is called string template. Okay.
Hmm.
Any question or concern regarding for loop?
So, for each iteration,
Yes.
for each iteration, what is happening over here is the I is changing, right?
Yes.
Each like
Yes.
one,
Yes. Yes.
2, 3, 4, and it is repeating again and again till 10, right? Like till 9,
Till 9. Yes.
till
Till
9.
10. Till 10.
Till 10? How?
Equal. Less than and equal.
Oh, okay, okay. But in the terminal, it's saying till 8.
No? You're able to see.
Oh, okay, okay.
So let me do calculate a sum. Plus 2, 3, 3. Okay. And, 55. Okay.
Yeah.
You can do in a repetitive task whatever you want to do. Here we are calculating, printing, or this. Okay.
Mm, yeah.
So, and these are the parts there. It will work like this way. In a first iteration, you are able to see I value is your 1. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So it's multiplying 2 with the 1. Then next is 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. You're able to see?
Yep.
Okay. Now here you are able to see when you know the length of the item, then you go with the for loop.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm,
So this will work when you know what is the length there. Okay, you can predict the size. Then you go with for loop. Okay.
yep.
But if you don't know the length and you cannot predict, then you will need to go with the while loop. Okay.
Like if I don't know the ending
Yes. Size.
size. Okay.
Size, then go with the this while loop. Means it will depend on a condition. Let's say this. Here you will write a increment or initial value outside the loop, while
Mm,
here you will write a condition there I less than 10. Okay. And inside a body, you will do a increment decrement operation.
yep.
Make sense?
Yes.
Console log and I. Means all parts are there, but the condition is this: when you don't know the exact size, means when you cannot predict a size there, then you go with the value because it's working on a condition only
Mm-hmm.
and doing this increment inside that. Okay, so let me do this sum as well. So sum that one, that sum. Are you able to see?
Yep.
This is while loop. Okay.
Mm.
Now do while loop. We have a do while loop. Means as the name suggests, do.
Mhm.
Do means do your work without checking the condition, without caring the condition. Makes sense? It
Mm.
this it means this loop where you want your without caring you have a right there or not, you have a condition true or false, but you want it should run at least once. At least once. Makes sense?
Mm. Little bit.
Let's say you are entering, let's say you are means party is going on in a hole. Makes sense?
Mm.
Here in a for loop and do while loop, first they will verify you have a invitation card for that party or not. Makes sense? If you have a card, then you can enter.
Yeah.
That's it. Here in a both the for loop and while loop, they check your pass on an entry point only. Then they will give you a permission to go inside. Makes sense?
Okay. Mm.
But here it will execute first. First it will execute, then it will check the condition.
Okay. It's the opposite.
No, this is applicable for only one. First,
First iteration.
yes. Let me show
Okay.
you. Let me show you. So right now we are printing that I only, which we done earlier with the other loops. Are you able to see it's printing this? J is equal to 1 left. So let's close that one. Close this. Now at the place of this, let's do this. And inside this, J plus plus. Okay.
Mm. What's going on?
J less than 10. J plus plus. Okay. First, I J plus plus divided by 2 y.
Mm. Mm.
J less than why it's going up this number?
For the J plus plus.
J plus plus we are doing there. Let J is equal to 0. Zero. So transfer the 0. And plus Let's go in this. Okay. Okay.
Is it printing any other page? Not
Let
the
me. I'm checking. Same thing.
code.
Hello, Frank. Just checking. I'm doing the same thing here,
Hmm.
but which is not sure. This. Now it's working.
Yeah, now it's working.
So now, as I told you, even though this condition will fail, let's say right now it's 1,000. Okay,
Yep.
excellent. It will not. This will not satisfy. This condition will not satisfy. But at least once it will work. You understand?
At least once. Hmm.
Even condition is not true.
Yeah.
Think of security guard is there for for loop and while loop. They
Hmm.
will check your entry on a gate. Means, but in a do while loop, for
Hmm.
first time they will not check your entry.
Yeah. They're gonna start.
Yes, at once, only once you can go without checking.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the three loops available with us in this. Apart from that, other loops are also there. Like so, you are doing this. Let me show you, but we will cover that in a sequences chapter there. But right now you are doing this. Let's so it's workful if you can do that actually. Okay,
Yes.
for each of already here. So you could print it. Okay. Apart from that, foreign is also there. You can do that as
Hmm.
well. So print a key on key is index. Uh, okay,
Hmm.
so it will print. No, no. Use So it's printing. Okay. Any question or concern?
Yes, I have question line number 10 and also line number 12 or 13.
So this is an inbuilt loop. So it is doing the iteration for you.
Isn't like not getting why you're writing in this way.
Because this is a convenient for you. You don't need to write int I is equal to starting point and ending point.
So
Makes sense?
what it is saying over here for each,
Means
is it a for?
each and every item. For
Hmm.
each. Let's say Saad, Avi, Nirmal, Ayu, Deepak.
Hmm.
These are the each item.
Yeah.
It will iterate. And whatever item is there, we are getting that item here. Makes sense?
This is the I.
This is a, you can say, value, not I.
Okay.
If you're talking about a numeric number value, then it's a index. I is a index basically.
Hmm.
Here, this is a value. Item is a value like this. Saad, Avi, Nirmal. If you want to I, then you can do that as well. Like if you want a I, that's a do this. Makes sense?
Yep.
Then this is I. You are able to see this is I.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And then what's about the equal, the arrow sign and then index dot item? It's printing.
Yes. This we are printing.
Okay. And number 12.
This is a, you can say we are getting this value I. And now we will get an index value from this. Makes sense?
Index value.
And yes, index value. Like I is there. Let me show you. That's a value is your index value. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you are able to see. Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
So based on that, we are retrieving the student value like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
And printing that. Okay.
Yep.
Any question, concern?
No.
Let me change this to. Okay. So now we have two more thing we need to discuss, jumping statement. Okay. So let's say in our day-to-day life as well, we need to jump. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Sometimes we need to skip. Hey, today I am not fine, so I need to skip my class. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Or sometimes we need to start, skip, or you can say break. We require a break. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So here you are able to see it's printing. If you keep this 1, 0, then it's printing. Am I right? But we want on a certain condition. Let's say you are finding something and you will get that. You will not move ahead then. Makes sense. Your search is finished. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So you don't want to move ahead. Is equal to 5. Then you are saying, hey, break. Makes sense. I
Hmm.
have done. I have done. Now you are able to see there is okay J is there. Okay. So j is equal to 5. Then you're able to see after 5 is not is break. Makes sense. Means it's get
It's
out of get
the
out
loop.
of sorry.
Get out of the loop.
Yes. Means it's get out, and if you use this continue, makes sense.
Hmm.
So we are saying hey, just continue.
Then it's gonna print till 9. Oh, it's printing.
Till pin 5, then we are saying continuity. Go continue, go for continuity. At the place of this, we can say else. I is equal to storage. Sorry, stop. Okay. So basically, it will give you a means out of the loop break, and this will give you, you can say, on a starting of the loop. Let me do this example of code. So, I say if I is equal to 5, then something else. So it's a fun. So why it's showing this? Right now we commented everything.
Hmm.
Mm, Lower goal. Let me open this. No, let me run this again. Any question or concern?
This one. So
Okay. That's not. Now you are able to see it will not printing that 5. It's skipping that. Makes sense?
why? Why?
Because we mentioned this continue, discontinue on a 5.
Hmm.
It skipped. You're able to see it skipped.
So yeah, and if you write break over there, it's gonna stop.
Yes.
Okay. Like after till 4, I guess it's gonna print.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you need to do this practice for can say in some uh, some more series. Okay, sum of series. Uh, print a number or print a table of any number. Print a table of given number. Okay. Print only even. Print only odd. Only odd. Fibonacci series. Print Armstrong burst given range. Okay.
Yep.
You need to do all the things with all the three loops. Okay.
Okay.
So,